What's going on, everyone? I got some updates for you, a couple questions for you, and there's a new bike in the garage I gotta show you and see what you want to know about that one before I do the review. So let me show you what's going on around here because it's been busy. All right, well, I know I haven't posted in a couple weeks, but it's been rather busy around here. It's the holiday season. You can see I'm working on light kits. I also had to take a good solid week off because I had to have surgery to remove kidney stones, which was god awful. I hope none of you ever have to experience that. Kidney stones, not fun. But here's the main thing I'm working on right now, trying to get everyone their light kit out. They're everywhere in here. I've already sent out about 40 of them, and I've got another like 10 or so here that I'm working on getting built and packaged and shipped out. I mean, when I get them from Spark, they're building them for me. They just basically come in a bag like this. So I am assembling all of them so that when you pull it out of the box, it's 100% assembled like this, and you can just literally plug it in and mount the brackets and you're done. So we take the time to assemble each one, and then we, QC test it over here on the wired bike. We plug it in, make sure everything functions correctly, and then we bubble wrap it and box it and ship it out. So kits are going out, sending out about 40, there's about 10 more here, and then I gotta wait. Then I'm just waiting until like mid-January-ish when I'm supposed to get another large bulk order of the kits in, and I can fulfill all the pre-orders at that point and hopefully take some more orders. So that's question number one. I'm getting a lot of requests for these, and I haven't been taking any more pre-orders because I wanted to deliver. I want to make sure I can deliver and that everybody likes these before I start taking in a ton of more pre-orders. But I was thinking just wait until I get the next batch in and I can have them in stock and fulfill orders. But let me know in the comments, do you want me to open it back up so you can place a pre-order? I mean, that would give me a better idea of how many I need to order with the manufacturer. So it's helpful, but I don't like holding people's money for so long either. So let me know in the comments if you'd rather pre-order and like get in line to get a light kit or just wait till they're in stock. Kind of curious to know. So there you go. We're getting kits out in the mail right now. And I did make an install video so you can see exactly how to install this kit and see the finished product. I put a link to it in the product page on my website, citizenperformance.com. When you go to the light kit, there's a link down there that shows you the install video. I didn't release it publicly. I didn't know if everyone would want to see that or only the people that wanted or that ordered a kit would want to see the install, but maybe I will make it a public video. Right now it's just you got to click the link. I'll put it in the description too so you can go see the install of these if you'd like. But okay, that's enough on light kits. We got a new bike too. Check this out. All right, here's the next bike we're going to put a video out on. This is the Magician Alpha Mini. This is the mini version, the 20-inch wheel version with big 72 volt power. And that's my next question for you. What do you guys want to know about this one? I know Tail Happy's already kind of given his review on it and showed it, but is there anything missing that you really want to know about the Alpha Mini? There you go. There's the logos on it. I mean, it's a sharp looking bike. It looks pretty much like a miniature version of the big Alpha. I haven't even really ridden it a whole lot. I did one test ride just to make sure it was functioning, and holy cow, does this thing have power. I mean, ridiculous front end lifting power on this, which is the big Alpha didn't have that. This one, wow, it's got some big performance. And I tried to dial the start strength down and it was still throwing the front wheel in the air. So very, very powerful. This motor, this Bafang motor, I really like it. It's really strong. It's really smooth. It's really quiet. But what do you guys want to know about the Mini? I'm going to try to start working on that this weekend, maybe starting next week. So probably a week or so before I get the video out. I haven't even got it fully charged yet to fully test it. So there you go. Alpha Mini is up next. I'm excited for this one. I like this one a lot already. I mean, it's very robust. I mean, man, this area right here is just huge. But we'll check the stability, of course. Make sure it's nice and stable. I really like how these front forks, these double crown forks are designed. That's different. I haven't seen anything like that. They're X-Show forks. And they did tell me this is a prototype bike, guys. So they limited the motor. They did some redesigning inside of the motor to change the gears in there. So prototype bike, they limited the speed to 46. So I'm not going to be able to test the full max speed of a production bike, unfortunately. But you'll get a good idea for everything else about this one. I think that's the only thing that's going to be different. Oh, and they did mention something about start strength might be a little different too, but we'll see. We'll see. So that's the update. That's what's happening around here. Let me know what questions you want me to answer about this Mini, and let me know too about signal kits. If I should open that back for pre-orders or not. I'm really on the fence on that. Let me know. That's all for today. Thanks. Well, there they are side by side. the Big Alpha and its Mini Me. Very, very similar looking frames. Really, the only major difference is going to be wheel size. So here's regular Alpha 26x4 fat tire. Huge bike, huge bike. And then Alpha Mini 20x4 inch wheels. Take my advice, if you're under like 5'7", I'd get the Mini for sure. I mean, I'm even comfortable on it. I'm 6 feet tall.